Hey folks, it's Emily from WTA. Now, I know you're thinking, I already have a ton of water bottles. We all end up with a ton of water bottles. Why do I want one more? Well, when I show you everything that this water bottle from the AINOPE store can do for you, I bet you are going to be as obsessed as I am. First and foremost, this is a very functional water bottle. It's double walled, it keeps beverages cold for 24 hours. It's 24 ounces, which is a great size to carry along with you. It fits in all your standard cup holders, and it's leak proof and super chic. But secretly, it has the most awesome feature ever. And that is this MagSafe compatible top. This little super strong magnet makes your water bottle your phone holder, which is convenient for so many reasons. Have you ever wished you could keep your phone up off the sand when you're at the beach? Would you really like to have your phone help you with navigation, but you don't want to attach one of those phone holders to your dash? Would you love to catch up on your favorite show when you're in your break room at work, but your phone keeps flipping back when you hold it up against the salt and pepper shakers? First world problems, I know. But if you want to solve every first world problem that it comes to with your phone and how to use it as a selfie stick, as a TV monitor, as a place to use for navigation, a way to keep it up off the ground or table and safe, this water bottle answers all of those questions. It is a super strong magnet, so your phone is not going anywhere. And it's super flexible, and you can use it at a variety of angles, and your phone's gonna stay really secure, even at a 90-degree angle. Honestly, the concept is ingenious. We all already have our water bottle with us, and now that same functional water bottle can double as an amazing phone holder as well. I love this design. I think you're going to too, but that's my point of view.